Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to pin Gmail to Windows 11 or 10 taskbar using Opera browser. For this, first open Opera browser, then visit gmail.com and sign into your account. Now click on the Start button, type Opera. In the search results, right click on the Opera browser entry, select Open File Location. Again, right click on the shortcut, select Open File Location. Now you will find Opera application. Press Shift key on the keyboard and hold it, and then right click on this one application. Select here Copy as Path. Now right click on the free space on the desktop, select New and then Shortcut option. Paste the copied path. Now press a space bar on the keyboard, then type hyphen and URL, then copy the Gmail path from Opera browser and paste it at the end in this one location box. Then click on this one next button, name it Gmail, then click on this one finish button. Now again select this one desktop shortcut icon, press shift key on the keyboard and hold it and then right click on it. Now click on this one pin to taskbar option. Now Gmail icon for Opera browser is pinned to your Windows taskbar. Whenever you will click on this one icon, it will open in Opera browser. Your Gmail will open in your Opera browser by default